What is learning? Logic, math, and code actually felt like a game.
For many students, STEM feels intimidating. They don't know where to start, so they give up before they even begin.
That's why we built EduLogic, a free platform to learn STEM from zero. No prior knowledge, no pressure, just short, simple lessons.
Pick any course, logic, math, or programming. Every lesson is short, clear, and built for absolute beginners.
After each lesson, you take a quiz, and here's the magic. When you make a mistake, EduLogic explains exactly why, so you truly learn from it.
Track your progress, core by core, and learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere.
Because learning to think isn't just for a few, it's for everyone.
Start learning today.
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 Free at edulogic.pro.